Fraction 2. Reciprocal of a number. Product of two number is 1, that is called the reciprocal. Now we will take 5 when we want to take the product as 1. So we have to write 1/5. We will see the answer. 5 and 5 cancel. Answer is 1. So we can say the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. That is the answer. So 2/3 is here. Then to get the answer as 1, we must write 3/2. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. Then 1 is the answer. So product of 2/3 is 3/2. And here -7. So to take it as 1, we must write -1/7. Now minus into minus, it becomes positive. 7 and 7 cancel. So 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore we can say reciprocal of -7 is -1/7. So like that way, to get the reciprocal we must take it as 1. Final answer should be 1. So we must write 9/5. Here minus, so -9/5. So what it will be the reciprocal? The reciprocal is -9/5. Then here these are mixed numbers. Here also we can find the reciprocal. First of all, we must make it into improper fraction. 7 times 2, 14. 14 and 3 is 17. So what is the reciprocal? At once we can say. Here see this one, 5, it become 1/5. Here 2/3, it become 3 seconds. That means 3/2. That means upside down. Here also upside down. 7 means actually 7/1. So what is it will be? Upside down. So -1/7. Here also -5 9. So upside down it is -9/5. So we got now improper fraction is 17/7. So what it will be the reciprocal then? 7/17. So this is the reciprocal. Then I am going to make it into improper. 5 times 3 15. 15 and 2 17. 5th here minus. So reciprocal is 5/17 minus. So -5/17. Here have to make it into improper. 5 times 3 15. 15 and 1 is 16. Divide by 3. Then the reciprocal is 3/16. And here 2 times 9 is 18. 18 added 1 is 19. Over 9 it is minus. So reciprocal is 9/19 minus. -9/19. Then divide in a fraction by a whole number. Divide in fraction by a whole number. So 2/3 is there. Remember that when we have division, we can write it as a multiplication. Then you have to take the reciprocal. 2 reciprocal is half. Then 2 and 2 can cancel. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So answer is 1/3. Here 2/3 is the number. Then we have to divide by 2. 2/3 first write. After that division we come into multiplication. You have to change the right side value. It is 2. The reciprocal is half. Always change the right side amount. Then the other one -5/7. Division become into multiplication. Then reciprocal 15 become 1/15. Don't change the first fraction. Right side amount only you have to change. Then 5 times 1 and 5 times 3 we can cancel. Then minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Divide by 7 times 3 is 21. Minus 1/21. Next question. 3/7. Division become into multiplication. Third become 1/30th. Then we can cancel 3 times 1, 3 times 10. Upper when we multiply numerator, 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 10 is 70. 1/70th. Divide in a whole number by a fraction. This is a whole number. We are going to divide by a fraction. So 5 okay. Division become into multiplication. Then we have to take the reciprocal. Half reciprocal is 2. 2 over 1 also we can write. So 2 is the answer. Then 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 1 means 10. Next question. 27. Division become into multiplication. Then 5 goes up, 3 goes down. Reciprocal. 5 up, 3 down. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 9. Then 9 times 5 is 45. And the other one, 56 is here. Division become into multiplication. 14 goes down, 15 goes up. Now 14 times 1, 14 times 4. Okay. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. 56 divided by 14 is 4. 4 times 15 is 60. 60 is the answer. And here 12. Division become into multiplication. Then 9 goes up, 4 goes down. Then 4 times 1 and 4 times 3. Then 3 times 9 is 27. So 27 is the answer. Dividing fraction by a fraction. Now fraction divide by a fraction. So here half, like earlier division become into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal. 3 goes up, 1 goes down. Then multiplication of fraction like that way. Then numerator separately multiply, denominator separately multiply. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Then this one is an improper fraction, so we have to make it into mixed number. There are one group of 2, then 1 remain, the denominator 2. So 1 and half. And the other one, 2/3 divided by 4/7. So 2/3. Division become into multiplication. 7 up, 4 goes down. Then we can cancel. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. Here also improper. We have to make it into mixed number. There are one group of 6. So 1/6. That is the answer. Next. 5/9. Division become into multiplication. 9 goes up, 4 goes down. 9 and 9 cancelled. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. Here also improper. We have to make it into mixed number. Then 1 with 1/4. The other question. 7/8. Division become into multiplication. 10 goes up, 7 goes down. 7 times 1, 7 times 1. 2 times 4, 2 times 5. In the numerators, 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Then improper make into mixed 1 with 1/4. Next, divide in a whole number by a mixed number. Divide in a whole number by a mixed number. Now, whole number is 6. Divide by, we have to make it into improper. Then it is 3/2. So we can write it again. 6 over 1 actually. It is division become into multiplication. 2 goes 1, 3 goes down. Then we can cancel. 3 times 1, 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 over 4 means 4. That is the answer. And here 15 divide by 4 times 3, 12. 12 and 3 is 15/4. So, again I will write 15. Now multiplication. Division become into multiplication. 4 up, 15 down. 15 and 15 can cancel. There are one group. 1 times 4 is 4. Next question. 27. Divide by 5 times 1 is 5. 5 and 4 is added 9/5. Then 27. Division become into multiplication. 5 goes up, 9 goes down. We can cancel. 9 times 1, 9 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is the answer. Next question, 7. Divide by 2 times 3 is 6. 6 and 1 is 7 over 3. So, 7 division become into multiplication. 3 goes up, 7 goes down. Now we can cancel 7, 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 7. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 is the answer. The other topic is divide in a fraction by a mixed number. This is the fraction divided by a mixed number. So, 4/5 divide by 3 times 1 is 3, 3 added 1 is 4. 4/3. So we can write it 4/5. Division become into multiplication. 3 goes up, 4 goes down. Then 4 and 4 can cancel. One group. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 3/5 is the answer. Next question. 5/6 divide by 2 times 2 is 4. 4 added 1 is 5. 5/2. Then 5/6 division become into multiplication. 2/5. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 1 can cancel. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 1/3. 17, 19 divided by 2 times 8 is 16. 16 added 1 is 17. Then 17, 19 division become into multiplication. 2 goes up, 17 goes down. Then 17 times 1, 17 times 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 19 times 1 is 19. So 2/19. Divide in a mixed number by a fraction. Here mixed number, this one is a fraction. So mixed number we have to make it into improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 added 1 is 3. 3 half. Division become into now multiplication. 2 goes up, 3 goes down. 3 times 1, 3 times 1 cancelled. 2 times 1, 2 times 1 cancelled. 1 times 1 is 1. Here also 1. So 1 divided by 1 means 1. 1 is the answer. Next, 6 times 5 is 30. 30 added 1 is 31 over 6. Division, we can write it as a multiplication. 32 goes up, 31 goes down. Now, 31 and 31 can cancel. There are 1 row. 6 and 32 can cancel. We can divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Then 1 times 16 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. Then here this is improper fraction, so we have to make it into mixed number. There are 5 groups. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 remains. 1/3. Next question. 7 with 1/4, so we can write it as an improper fraction. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 added 1 is 29 over 4. Division become into multiplication. 32 over 29. 29 times 1, 29 times 1. 4 times 1, 4 times 8. Upper 1 times 8 is 8. 8 is the answer. The other question topic, divide in a mixed number by a mixed number. Here mixed number and the other one also a mixed number. So we are going to divide. Mixed number we have to make into improper fraction. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 added 1 is 31 over 6. Divide by 4 times 7 28. 28 added 1 is 31 over 4. So we can write 31 sixth multiply 4 31st. 31 31 can cancel. There are 1 group. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2/3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 added 1 is 9. 9/4. Divide by 7 times 2, 14. 15, 16. 16 sevenths. So we can write 9/4 multiply 7 16th. Then we can divide. Can we divide? Can't. So 9 times 7 is 63. 4 times 6 is 16 times 4 is 64. 63 64. Next, here also we must make into improper fraction. 5 times 3 15 added 1 is 16 over 3. Divide by 2 times 2 4. 4 added 1 is 5. 5 half. 16 3 multiply 2 fifth. So 16 times 2 is 32. 3 times 5 is 15. There are 2 groups. It is 30. Then there are 2 remains out of 15. 2 with 2 15 or 2 and 2 15. The other one, third question. And this is the fourth question. Here 2 with 3 fifth. So it is 13 fifth. Divide by 17 tenth. Then 13 fifth multiply 10 17th. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. 2 times 13 is 26. 17th. There are how many groups? 1 group. How many remains are there? 9 out of 17. If you are not sure, we will check again. 7 times 1 is 17. 17 added 9 is 26. Okay.